Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your currency on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, if you have any products set up, you can see your currency over there. For example, if I go into my products, and I'm not sure if I have any added over here, as you can see, I currently at the moment do not, but that doesn't matter. I can change the currency anyway. But yeah, to change the currency, all you need to do is go to the settings and modify them. So let's go over into the settings tab over here. So from your main menu, click on the cog icon at the bottom, and you'll get to your settings. From here, you're going to want to go into selling. And here, as you can see, you have your selling menu. Now, from here, you're going to want to go into payments. And at the very bottom, you'll see your store currency. At the moment, as you can see, my store currency is set up as USD, but if I click on it, I have the choice of all of these currencies over here. You have everything from the euro to the peso, from Argentina, Danish crowns. I am pretty sure British pound sterling is somewhere over here. And there we go. It's right over here. And yeah, you just select whichever one you want. For example, I'll select the Polish zloty, click save. And once you save that, then your entire store currency will pretty much change. Now, if I go into products and services, try and add a product, for example, a physical one, as you'll see from the customization menu, and for some reason it's asking me for an image. It usually doesn't do this, but if I skip, as you can see, it'll ask you to set up a price, and at the moment it is showing my currency as the Polish zloty, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.